do that. Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be switching things up a little bit, and Chewy, if you can hold this for me.
Yeah.
We have something here that should be super fun. My little brother behind the camera, Chewy, you guys have met him before. He has been wanting to get or build a small little e-bike or like a pit bike type of situation. I told him, well, I guess I haven't told you, I'm telling you now. I got something better than that.
No way.
So here we have a little, like, I don't know what cc's this is.
I really don't know either.
I think it's like a 70cc little pit bike. It's like a Chinese pit bike. It's a 4-speed. And my dad got this from one of the people he works for. But he basically said, if you guys can fix it, you can have it for a deal. So we're gonna try and get it running today and see what we can do. Obviously, it's a small little carbureted bike. I was thinking of cleaning the carbs and rebuilding the carb, but with these little Chinese bikes, getting a new carb from is like 20 bucks. I figured I might as well just throw a brand new carb in there. So that's what we got. So got a whole new little rebuild kit, or new little carburetor kit. So brand new carb, new intake, comes with a new spark plug, some filters, fuel lines, the little adapter there.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're just gonna try and rip this thing out so we can put the new one in. Don't worry, if it leaks fuel here, the super hot exhaust is only right next to it. So what could possibly go wrong?
Nothing. Nothing could go wrong.
Exactly. You see, we're optimists around here.
Yeah.
Optimism runs in our blood.
It got some fancy new things.
But this thing's gonna be twice as fast.
Yeah, dude.
Well, at least it's gonna start, maybe. We'll start with that.
Infinite times faster.
We don't know how fast it was before because it didn't work.
No way. Look at him. Look at these master mechanic skills right here.
Dude, I am a master of some things. For example, I'm a master of not passing smogs. Holy crap. I'm really good at that.
Does it work now?
Okay, so if this were to stay here.
Because that thing has to be tightened right there. Or it's gotta stay. Duct tape!
No, yeah, I was actually thinking I can either duct tape it or I can like clamp it on with like a hose clamp.
Yeah, see? Yeah, I'm smart, big brains.
I mean, you are my brother.
Exactly.
You're basically me, but just like 20 years ago.
Yeah, but like better, you know?
Wait a minute.
GG. Oh, the dog looking at you. Brother.
Ratchet. 3/8 ratchet branch, brother.
Hey, look at him go, dude.
I will say,
his back.
you, at your age, you actually have straight A's.
A's
Kind
and
of.
B's.
Kind of.
Yeah.
You have above a 3.0.
Yeah, I got like a 3.6 or something like that.
Yet you can't expand your vernacular.
Exactly. I don't know how I passed English.
Let's see, how is this thing? Hey, this is pretty clean.
Yeah, look at it. Look at that,
Yeah,
guys.
that's not bad. It's a little wet.
But that's healthy. That's good.
Yeah, you like it wet.
Yeah.
You don't know what that means yet, but you will soon. Okay, I think this is just like a filter.
Like extra things we don't need.
I'm just gonna put this off to the side over here.
Alright.
If we're riding and we see like oil coming out of there, maybe I'll try and like put like a filter, like a little breather on it. But I
Yeah.
don't want to recirculate it. I think that's dumb from a engineering point of view.
Yeah, we don't like that.
All right,
It starts, yes or no?
it's got gas.
A little bit.
This
A little
should
bit of
be
it.
down here. Choke up, I believe. Yeah, choke up. This press down. It's in neutral.
You sure?
Let's try it. Oh, this freaking pedal. Yeah, it's not. Here, let me see. Throttle doesn't work.
We gotta fix that.
Gotta fix that, but
It started.
so what I can do, this is up, turn the fuel on. You see that one going? Dude, I'm stoked. This is like my childhood right here. I've always wanted one of these. Hell yeah. Dude, hell yeah.
The neighbors will be so happy with this one, dude.
Dude, high five. Good shit. Let's go. I'm gonna see if I could fix the throttle and then maybe we can go try to rip on it. Maybe put some air in the tires.
And some more gas, but
Could use some more gas.
yeah.
I think Dad has some for his, like,
Maybe like in there somewhere.
yeah, he's got some, I'm sure.
Yeah, for sure.
That's pretty good. So I ended up fixing the throttle. I just had to, get a little crafty with it. It might come undone. So if we're riding it and it gets stuck, then this is the shut-off switch right here, okay?
That's the one right there?
This is to turn it on, you have to push it here. To turn it off, you
Yeah.
press it here. Or just
Alright.
ditch it, okay? Take a good look at my knees right now, because they're clean and don't zoom in on them. But if I eat it, they're not gonna look like that anymore.
That's why I put on some pants before.
All right, we got tire pressure, we got new spark plug, new carb, And that's it.
Nice.
That's it. That's all we have. We haven't replaced the little kickstand yet, but
Who cares?
we'll make it work, dude. All right. On.
Emissions.
Can't get it out of.
We can't get it out of the first?
Yeah. There we go. Dude, this thing's sick. It's torquey.
Yeah?
I almost like did a wheelie in second gear. It like, the front brake sucks. Like here, you could see I'm pushing it. I guess it gets better.
A stoppy?
Rear brake, and then the shifter was bent, so I just bent it back. Because I don't know if you saw, I couldn't get it back into neutral.
Yeah.
Here, let me try and give it another rip real quick. And that's what we need to.
It's so loud, everybody's gonna love it. But let's see if we can catch up over there. Well, where did he really go? Ah, there he is. Oh, that boy will gap us around every day. Every day of the week, he'll gap us around right there.
Dude, it's fast. I hit third gear there.
Yeah?
Dude, this isn't a pit bike. This is it's just small dirt bike. This thing's sick. Bro, we gotta like fix it up and like actually take it somewhere.
Yeah.
Put a real shock in it, because this doesn't do anything.
Yeah, I thought this would do anything.
The brake doesn't do anything either.
Yeah?
Yeah, just a heads up. You have to brake with just throttle. What's up, man?
How about throwing down?
I could do that. We just, this is our first time ever like turning it on. Like
Doesn't matter how small it is.
I understand. You got it. I apologize. You got it. We can I can have you try it tomorrow. We'll take it somewhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, that way we don't get in trouble.
Yeah, the
It's like the
first complaint, 5 minutes.
happens. Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Yeah.
So in that last clip you just saw, we got, you know, kind of scoffed at yesterday. So today we decided to be a little bit smarter and we went up into a business park. It's a Sunday, so it's closed. There's like nobody here. So I'm gonna let Chewy try the bike for the first time, but we're being safe. We're trying to be safe. So we got him fully kitted out. He's got one of my motorcycle helmets on and he's got motorcycle gloves. Can you throw that other one on, brother? But I just rode the bike up here, the little pit bike. It's not a pit bike. That thing's like a dirt bike, dude. That thing's sick. And then I just rode his little BMX bike. So yeah, he's gonna try it out for the first time and see how it goes. Just give it a kick. Nice strong kick. There you go. Put in first gear. So Just smash it down. There you go. Second gear. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Nice turn. Oh, I don't know. Oh, dude, I don't have brakes. I was just ate it. The brake is on the right hand. I gotta switch camera hands. There we go. No. Oh. Look at the young man go. Yeah, dude. He's ripping. What do you think?
It's fun.
Oh, put in neutral. Are you in neutral?
No. No, up.
All the way up. It's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Here, I can try and help you. I just turn it off.
Yeah.
Dude, what do you think? First thoughts?
It's very fun, very good, very nice.
Hell yeah. Good shit, dude. Good job. So proud of you. You gotta start him young, dude. He's gonna be like Travis Pastrami in no time. Oh!
No, I got her first kick,
You
dude.
did. Yeah.
No way.
Brother.
Sister.
That's why.
No,
Oh, I didn't have it on. I didn't have it on.
There you go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, he's not, dude. He's oh, he's. What happened, man? He just turned it off. Oh no. Oh, is he coming back? Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Nothing's
Kinda scared.
fun. No way. Trying to get the front wheel up there, dude. No way.
Bro, this is the best, like, free thing I've ever gotten. It's so sick. I'm gonna try to do another wheelie. I got two good ones, right?
You got one good one that I saw.
One good one. Alright.
Alright, let's see him cook with these wheels. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's so good. Bro, that little bike is torquey. Oh, no way!
dude, that is the best, like, that's the most like fun I've had. In such a long time, and it's so cheap.
Yeah.
Or I mean, obviously, if you buy this brand new, it's not cheap. But like, I feel like if I fall, I'm not gonna get hurt.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going like 5 miles per hour. Gas, it's like doesn't use any gas hardly at all. It's like, I don't know. I'm stoked. I'm so happy, dude. This is the best thing. Good shit, brother. Oh. You wanna rip it some before we go?
Yeah. Oh yeah, like that's the rule.
We're gonna let the young man go rip it, have some fun.
The wind.
Oh, haha, you see, it's not that easy. There you go. It is that easy. But... yeah, dude. All right. Well, while he's ripping, I just want to say, like, the smiles on my face are not fake. This is the most fun I've had in a good while. And just a heads up, I'm not trying to make a case for myself or anything, but I've never really wheelied before. So those little wheelies you guys saw, that's a pure amateur, pure beginner. Full tuck. Bro, he's about to break the speed limit out here. Going a whole 10 miles per hour. What's wrong? Huh?
I'm getting a cramp on my leg.
Oh, really? You're getting a cramp? Get the cramp, that's the shit. But you gotta drink more water. What's up, dude?
I drink water.
What do you think? What's your prognosis?
You get cramps once in a while.
That's right. You get cramps. So you stay hydrated, folks. And with that, we're probably gonna end it, right? Yeah. This was so much fun. We have to do this more. We need to get another one. We need to have 2. Imagine. Dude, that'd be so sick. That'd be so fun if we just pit biked everywhere. All right, well, dude, no, we'd get in trouble for that.
No.
There's so many people in California, there's always gonna be someone who's gonna get pissed. Nice 360. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a fun little video we're gonna make. If you wanna see more pit bike / little dirt bike content, please let me know down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.